This chicken tagine smells so good. And it brings me back to my days cooking in the south of France, where the cuisine was so heavily influenced by the Mediterranean. The traditional way to make a tagine is actually in a tagine, a clay pot with a deep cone-shaped lid. But here's a way you can make it at home, in a cast iron skillet. Because this dish is all about the spices and aromatics, it's so versatile. I've used chicken here, but you could use a whole host of other birds, from pheasant to duck to goose. For more recipes like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.